That's why when Jesus said, "Peace be with you," hindi niya sinabi, "Oh, nasaan kayo? When I was on the cross, you really disappointed me. Why did you leave me? Saan ba kayo nung inaresto ako?" Jesus did not said those words. And He said, "Peace be with you." Brothers and sisters, ang tawag nito, divine mercy. Yung pag-offer niya ng pagpapatawad sa mga apostoles, that you are now healed and you are now restored. That's why I'm giving you that peace. Pagkatapos, ipinakita niya yung kanyang mga sugat. Brothers and sisters, it is the reason, Lord, hindi na siya yung the crucified Lord. He is now risen, and yet, yung mga sugat, nandun pa rin. It is not yet healed. Ipinakita pa rin niya. Kasi, ang mga sugat, hindi lang ito signs of defeat, but it is the source of mercy. It is the mark of God's love. Itong mga sugat na ito, yung mga pilas, yung mga nina ni Jesus, hindi pa ito naghihilom, na hanggang ngayon ipinapakita pa rin sa sanlibutan na ang mga sugat ni Jesus, ito pa rin ang pinagmumula ng pag-asa ng bawat isa.